Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to remove Bing search engine from Chrome. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove Bing search engine from Chrome. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these 2 steps to know how to do it in no time. So, but firstly, let's check out what we have in front of us. In the middle, we have the search bar, as you can see. In the top right corner, we have your name, and here we have your settings on Bing. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and remove a Bing search engine from Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your computer and click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner and select Settings. After selecting Settings, you just need to go and click on the scroll down and click on Search Engine. Then when you have clicked on the search engine, you need to go and find Bing in the list, click on the 3 dots next to it and select Remove from the list. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So that will be everything. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.